Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will find the area bounded by the curves y equal sine x and y equal cosine x between x equals 0 to pi over 2. So let's start doing it. To start finding the area, I have to draw the curve. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis, and we know the curve for sine x, it's gonna have to pass by 0, 0. Yeah. So this is the curve of sine x, and actually it goes like this. Let me do it a better way. So the curve of sine x is gonna be something like that, and the curve of cosine x, it pass by y equal to 1, and the sine it pass by y equal to 0, and then it gonna go to pi over 2. Let's say this is pi over 2, and I'll put here pi over 4. I'll put it here, pi over 4. So it's gonna come like this, and then it's gonna go like that. Okay, so, and the area between the two curves, between 0 and pi over 2, I know that I have two areas. This is area 1 and this is area 2. Yeah, and we're gonna say this is y equal cosine x, and this is y equal to sine x. If I want to study the area, while the area between the area of the region bounded by cosine and sine and 0 and pi over 2 is like area 1 plus area 2. So if I want to study the area 1, it is equal to, because I have the cosine on top and the sine on the bottom, it will be the integral of cosine x minus sine x dx, and we're gonna find this point what it is. Yeah, and the area 2, it is because in the area 2 I have the sine, this is the sine here, sine x on top of the cosine, so it's equal the integral of sine x minus cosine x dx. Now at that point, the sine x and the cosine x have the same y. Okay, so I know y equal sine x and the other y equal cosine x, and at that point here they have the same y, so sine x would be equal to cosine x. But when the sine x is equal to cosine x, I know that sine of pi over 4 is equal square root of 2 divided by 2, and cosine of pi over 4 equals square root of 2 divided by 2. So that point here, my x is pi over 4. So area 1, I will study it between 0 and pi over 4, and the area 2 between pi over 4, and I want it with pi over 2. So area 2, it's gonna be pi over 4 till pi over 2. So if you understand that much, the problem becomes very easy now. I know the total area is equal area 1 plus area 2. So the area is equal integral of cosine x minus sine x dx between 0 and pi over 4, plus area 2, we said integral of sine x minus cosine x dx between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So because I have minus here, I can separate it into many integrals. So the area is gonna be between 0 and pi over 4 of cosine x dx minus integral between 0 and pi over 4 of sine x dx. That minus came here, plus the integral between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So this is the cosine x, this is the sine x. Now I have to put the sine x dx minus integral of cosine x dx between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So I know that the integral of cosine x is sine x because the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So the integral is, so that one become sine x minus, and the integral of cosine x is minus, the integral of sine x is minus cosine x. And this is between 0 and pi over 4. I have this plus here, so I put it here. We said the integral of sine is minus cosine x, and the integral of cosine x is sine x, but I have the minus here. So minus sine x, and this is between pi over 4 and pi over 2. So all what I have to do here, I will replace the x by pi over 4 minus, and I replace the x by 0. Here minus times minus make plus, so let's put it plus. So sine of pi over 4, we said it's square root of 2 divided by 2, plus sine of cosine x is square root of 2 divided by 2, minus, and I open my parentheses, the sine of 0 is 0. And cosine of 0 is 1. And then I have this plus here. And now, the plus times minus is minus. Let's put minus. We know that cosine pi over 2 is 0. Minus sine pi over 2, the sine pi over 2 is 1, and then I put minus and I open my parentheses here. It will be cosine of pi over 4. I have this minus here, so I have to put it, and this is square root of 2 divided by 2. Let's have more space here. And minus, the minus that is here, I put it here, and sine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 divided by 2. So this is square root of 2 divided by 2 by square root of 2 divided by 2 is 2 square root of 2 divided by 2 minus 1, because minus times plus is minus 0, I won't put it. Minus times plus is minus 1. And then minus 0, I don't want to put it, and then I put minus 1 here, and then here minus times minus is plus, and minus times minus is plus. Square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2, it is 2 square root of 2 divided by 2, and then this 2 and this 2, I can simplify it. So I would have square root of 2 here plus the square root of 2 here. It is 2 square root of 2 minus 1 is minus 2. That would be my final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.